Hello, this is Chef Jackie. Napakasosyal ng aking coffee cake. Alam nyo ba kung bakit siya tinawag na coffee cake? Anyway, before that, gawa muna tayo ng ating speculoos cookie butter coconut coffee cake. So we start with creaming butter, sugar, and speculoos creamy spread. Add eggs one at a time. Okay, so after mixing this, we have here fresh milk and white vinegar. So paghalo nyo lang and let it sit mga 2 minutes. And as usual, sift and mix together all your dry ingredients. Okay, so I have here, this is my coconut flavoring. 'Di ba? Maiba naman, wag naman forever vanilla. Masarap 'yan coconut, no? And then, again, madali lang. 1/3 ng dry, kalahati ng gatas. Kita nyo, parang may buo-buo. Okay lang 'yan, huwag kayong matakot. Okay, another 1/3 ng dry. Yung kalahati ng iyong sour milk, no? Kita nyo may mga buo-buo. And the last 1/3 ng dry. And you can fold in your toasted coconut. If wala kayong ganito, pwede kayong gumamit ng desiccated. Any is okay. Okay, so first things first, yung baking pan natin, may grease sa side, tapos may papel sa ilalim. Okay, para hindi na siya dumikit. Now, we can put like half, and then a little bit here. Para hindi mag-drown yung lasa nung iyong speculoos creamy spread, pwede ka maglagay in between. Bagay siya. Para pag kumakain ng coffee cake, feel na feel nilang yung speculoos. Okay, and then you can pipe some more of your speculoos spread. Bake at 325 until cake tester comes out clean. Okay, so let's make a glaze. This is optional. So, lagay mo dito ang iyong powder sugar and then timplahan mo lang ng tubig. You know, yung tubig, konti-konti muna, no? 1-2 kutsara kasi ayaw mo dumulas yung glaze. Ayan, tamo? 2 kutsara lang, okay na. You just want a very, very light glaze. Ayaw mo yung parang umay glaze, no? And then, you can put that on top of your cake. Then, you can put some more coconut on top. Caribels. So, you can serve it like this or get kayo ng mga OPP plastic. 2 piraso para generous. Baka sabihin madamot. Diba? Pag isa, ay, damot. 2. Tapos, tape ng maayos. And then, lagyan ng iyong sticker. Para social. Diba? So, I hope you like our speculoos cookie butter coconut coffee cake. So, remember, ang aking sinasabi, kapag nakita nyo coffee cake sa isang menu, huwag nyo hahanapan ng kape yung cake. It means ang coffee cake ay mga cake na kinakain kasama ng inyong pagkakape. So, pwede nyo itong iserve sa inyong mga coffee shop. Until next week, abangan ang ating 3rd recipe sa ating Easiest Cake Series.